Hello, this is Brady and Drapjote from Team 1036 4C, West Robotics, and this year's STEM project is about collecting data, and we will be talking about the Mars Curiosity rover and self-driving cars. So, how the Mars rover is going to go to Mars, and then it's going to collect data so we can live on it in the future, and if Earth ever has a non-living environment for us, we'd have enough data to make Mars into our brand new Earth, because one, it has ice caps which were water, and it used to have bacteria, which means there was life on Mars. If Mars had water before, then if we melt the ice caps, Mars may have water again, and in that water there may be some bacteria, so there would be life and water on Mars. And people are suggesting that we launch solar panels into Mercury's orbit, so it gets enough solar energy, so the solar energy would go to Earth, and when we get that solar energy, we could power our rockets with that solar energy without using any rocket fuel or non-renewable energy. We will try to use renewable energy. Our other example is the self-driving car. It's exactly what it sounds like. A car that drives itself for the passenger. These self-driving cars are taught through computer simulations, so that way it completes tasks such as blinking yellow lights. Now Brady will speak the rest.
When they're usually on the road, they have about 20 high-tech cameras, LiDAR units, and a GPS system. The LiDAR units will detect about 4 million points a second with invisible layers, and will construct a layout of the surrounding area. So that way it doesn't harm any pedestrians or anything of the sort. In the surroundings, i.e. the data, is becoming more accurate and accurate as more engineers are coming and making self-driving cars. So one question about self-driving cars is that many people think that it will be far from the future, but actually many companies such as Uber and Tesla are already making self-driving cars for their customers. So they're not that far from the future, as engineers have already created the first prototypes of these self-driving cars.
So in conclusion, we're going to try to get to Mars by collecting solar energy in Mercury's orbit, so we could launch rockets with renewable energy, and so we're going to live there because the Curiosity rover the Mars Curiosity rover has discovered water and life that has existed there. And Brady will talk about self-driving cars. Brady?
So self-driving cars is not a product of the distant future and is now coming to us, and they collect the data, i.e. the surroundings, by finding about 4 million points a second with various LiDAR systems. Thank you for listening to us tonight.